Panoorin ang ilan sa mga kaganapan sa katatapos lang na 84th birthday ni Eddie Gutierrez nitong February 6 na ginanap sa Manila House, kung saan nakisaya ang mga mahal sa buhay at malalapit na kaibigan ng pamilya sa loob at labas ng showbiz.
Papa, I love you.
Thank you so much, Sabina. I love you too very much.
Titipid na niya Sina.
Napakakarami ang ginawa ko.
The stage is full. Happy birthday, guys. The night has just begun. Enjoy your evening. The drinks are flowing. There's still a lot of food, so please sing and enjoy your evening. Happy birthday, Dad.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much. All my friends.
Birthday was committed. Many more birthdays, many more contests to come.
Thank you. Hindi pa tapos ang ating kakapiling. Meron pa.
Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Thank you all for coming. Last week, kumalat ang balita na napatay na raw ako. So I had to talk and explain that hindi totoo yun. Ako'y buhay na buhay pa. At siyempre, nagpapasalamat ako sa aking one and only Annabel Rahma.
Huwag kang mag-worry sa akin, Eduardo. Alam mo naman ako, pagmamahal ko sa'yo, mula nung hinahanap-hanap kita, hanggang nakuha na kita, hanggang pinagsagaan kita, hanggang ngayon, andyan pa rin ako sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-worry, wala akong plano manlalaki, wala akong plano pagpapalitan. Wala akong plano papalitan kay Eduardo. Mahal na mahal kita, at saka, alam mo naman, ikaw lang talagang hinahanap-hanap ko, nakita rin kita. Kaya huwag kang mag-worry, pag ako umalis, naghahanap buhay lang ako, Eduardo. Pambili natin ang gamot.
I'm happy that you're strong again. Every day, swimming, gym, therapy, eating fruits, and I'm always praying for you, Dad. Every day, sana tuloy-tuloy na yung healing. In God's hands, He will keep you alive. I love you, Dad.
Thank you, Rocky. Thank you so much.
There you go. Can we have the grandkids join us here as well, guys, for a photo op? All the grandkids, and of course the adult grandkids as well. It's gonna be a big family photo.
There you go.
Sayang yung
Thank you.
For the birthday party of Tito Eddie. Tingnan mo naman. Oh. Tingnan mo, tita. So, walang may ganyan. Siya lang.
Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene. Take her the dancing queen. I love you when we're cruising together. Music is playing loud, cruising. Let the music take your mind. Just release dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine, oh yeah. While you can dance, you can shine, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, take her the dancing queen. It's a smile, your face, your lips, the loudness, the treat their lives, therapy, and make the same. I'm with you all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see, and I know I got you.
And I want to thank them for that. And I want to thank God for giving me another life. And especially Annabelle, who has been a rock in our family. She's everything to us. To the kids, to me, to everything. She's always there to love us and protect us.
Oh, okay. So parang naging closer talaga kayo ngayon as a family. You've always been close.
When we were young, we had our quarrels. Kasi ang motto ko kasi, make love, make war. Kasi kung puro make love, hindi masaya ang
Yeah,
relationship.
tama. Pero ngayon,
Ganyan ka Pero ngayon, it's all make love, enjoy our life, our children,
ano yung wish mo na lang, Sir Eddie? What's your 84th birthday wish?
Well, I didn't expect I would live this long.
Oh, really?
Because my life was full of sports, filming, kuyatan. So sometimes I was not living a healthy life. But I thank God that I made it up to 84 and hope to give me more years. Salamat po.
Kailan kayo babalik sa Singapore, Tito?
In 3 weeks time.
Okay.
Final.
For the final
For
procedure.
the final procedure.
Tito, after your, yung recovery mo, okay ka bang mag-work?
Well, if someone offers me a nice role, why not?